Hello friends and potential friends. Well, I have the honor this year of participating in 2 garlic harvests. Got the small one back in Florida, and now it's time to harvest the garlic here in Idaho. So let's get into it. Yep, those tomatoes are going to be about ready. They're pretty close. I mean, you could let them go another day if you want to. Nothing seems to be attacking them or anything. But you'll be eating fresh, ripe tomatoes as early as tomorrow. Well, let's see. I'm going to start by, we want to leave this one here. So
should we leave this and...
I'm curious to see what it does.
Yeah, me too. Well, all these I took out.
Yeah.
Except for this one.
Yeah. I'm just going to get all of this mulch off of here. And try not to disturb the ones that are falling over so we can keep track of where they're at.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll probably
have to do some exploring.
Yeah.
Oh, there's one I just uncovered. That was not above the surface. That is just a stick.
I see a black bug. I don't know what it is. It looks like an airwig.
These ones?
Yeah.
Oh, that one. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Those roly-polies, I used to think they were just harmless little things. And then I caught them eating my sweet potatoes and my potatoes.
Uh-oh. They're not little harmless things.
No, they're not. So now it's just a matter of going digging, see what we can find. Yep, that's not good, not bad. That's the Bavarian purple. Those are nice. Yep, that's a good haul.
Good haul.
With that, we'll see you next time.